How to create a sticker on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily create stickers on Snapchat. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Snapchat and click a picture where you want to create a sticker. Once you have done that, you will have different options on the right side of your screen. So let's say if I want to create a sticker of this left arrow key on my keyboard, I'm just going to tap on this scissors icon to create a cutout. So you have three options here. You can do a freehand draw, you can draw a rectangle or an ellipse. So if you draw from your freehand, you can select something like this, and it will automatically create a cutout for you. And if you want to do a rectangle, you can just swipe right like this, and it will create a cutout like this. Or if you want an ellipse, you can do that as well like this. Now tap on done. And as you can see here, your sticker has been created. If you want to do this to other keys, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to draw this one, tap on done, and here another sticker has been created. Now, if you want to access these stickers, you just have to go back like this. And now, if you click any picture, go ahead and tap on this stickers icon and you will see cutout option and you'll find these stickers right here. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you on the next one.